Car accidents are common, however that doesn't make them any much less terrifying. Often what follows the crash is a lengthy physical, emotional, and economic healing method that can be taxing. Most of us are solely conscious of the fundamentals when it comes to dealing with insurance plan companies, which can depart us prone to low provides of settlement. During these unsure days, you have to seek advice from an automobile accident legal professional in order to recognize the regulation and get the compensation to which you are legally entitled. Car accident attorneys are knowledgeable at negotiating with insurance plan groups and be aware of when to refuse an agreement provided due to the fact it is too low. Ali Awad, the founder and managing lawyer at the CEO Lawyer personal injury law firm, is no longer afraid to take on massive insurance plan corporations for his clients. Known as the CEO Lawyer, Mr. Awad has taken a tiny enterprise to an 8-figure company in 3 brief years. It is no marvel that his company used to be voted the fastest-growing regulation association in the United States, beating out 499 others in 2021. The CEO Lawyer has over 1 million followers on social media who seem to him for well-timed felony advice. If you or a cherished one has been injured in a vehicle accident, don't wait to name Ali Awad for a no-obligation session of your case. The CEO legal professional and his group of damage and accident attorneys work on a contingency basis, which capacity they don't get paid until you do. You have nothing to lose through calling 307-1912 to talk about the important points of your case. Car accident. Common car accident injuries. Car accidents can vary from minor to severe. The following listing outlines some of the most frequent or routine accidents suffered with the aid of automobile accident victims. Traumatic brain injuries. Car accidents are the main reason of demanding talent damage in the U.S. Traumatic brain injury, or TBI, outcomes when the genius is broken with the aid of damage to the head. The harm can result from a blunt blow or a sharp, piercing wound. Injury to the spinal wire or neck. The forceful influence of an accident can cause extreme harm to the spinal wire and neck. One frequent neck-related injury, recognized as whiplash, takes place when the head strikes lower back and forth in a quick, jerking fashion. Damage to the spinal wire can vary from minor to severe, with some accidents ensuing in partial or whole paralysis. Burns. The physique can be burned in many approaches all through or right away following an accident. If your pores and skin comes into contact with warm fluids, surfaces, or chemicals, you can also go through burns. If the automobile catches on fireplace throughout the accident, you may also incur extreme burns that require surgical treatment or pores and skin grafts. Fractures and broken bones. It is no shock that damaged bones and fractures are frequent in vehicle accidents. Broken legs, ribs, arms, ankles, and dangers happen due to forceful effects and can vary in severity from fracture to whole break. Some damaged bones will require surgical procedure to be reset and heal properly. Facial injuries. Broken glass and have an impact on with the steerage wheel can motive cuts and different accidents on the face. If severe, surgical correction can also be required. Soft tissue injuries. It is convenient to assume of smooth tissue accidents as much less severe, however this is no longer always true. Soft tissue accidents may also now not grow to be substantial or obvious till days after the accident. Damage to organs may additionally no longer be evident to the bare eye and can result in serious, life-threatening injuries. Post-traumatic stress disorder. Not each harm ensuing from an automobile accident is physical. Many humans go through from intellectual and emotional trauma after an accident. Post-traumatic stress ailment can be recognized with the aid of a skilled psychiatrist. Symptoms generally consist of feeling involved or anxious about things to do that used to experience ordinary to you, nightmares, and recollections of the demanding event. What you should do after a car accident. In the minutes and hours following a vehicle accident, you may also in all likelihood be injured, disoriented, or not sure as to what steps you want to take. Your protection and the security